Hi, I'm going to show you how to track organic search and organic traffic and rankings with three different tools. And I'm going to use the domain telegramclub.org for this demonstration. And first tool is the tool that is most common and is very recommended, which is Google Analytics. First thing you need to do is to install Google Analytics, and then you have data from that point on. You cannot retroactively get information, but from the point that you set the code on your website or app, you will have information for years. So very simple way is going to acquisition overview and just go for organic search. Organic search will show all search engine and traffic from all search engines. Here I chose a specific time frame of April 2021, but I can change it and do whatever custom type of traffic I can do. If I want to compare it to the previous month, so I'll compare April to March, only organic search, we'll see that there was actually an increase of 31% in users compared to April compared to March. And that's a good way to look at the overview, the general overview of the organic search. The downside we have with Google Analytics is that we can't track specific keywords because almost all of the traffic is being passed through HTTPS and does not pass the query string, so it's either not provided or not set. The second tool I'm going to use is an external tool, which basically doesn't really matter, it could be other external tools. I'm going to use SEMrush. It's a paid tool, so it's an advantage and a disadvantage, but the main advantage is that you can track domains that you do not own or don't have access to, and you can just get information from SEMrush's scrapers or other data sources that they use. It is not 100% accurate, but it gives you a very good estimation. All for the total traffic for the last 2 years, 1 year, and specific what keywords it ranks for, and the specific volume and position. And it's really good tool actually for competitive research, but I would less recommend it for your own projects, only if you want to track specific keywords. So the third tool I'm going to use is Google Search Console, which is also free, and unlike Google Analytics, it also does provide real-life data, but the real-life data does not come from the website, but come from Google's search result page. And unlike the external tools that are using other crawlers and scrapers, this is real-life data from Google officially. So it is much better for us to track keywords and less relevant if we want to track user behavior in the website. For that we do use Google Analytics. So I'll go to the overview and you'll see basically a very simple report that you can see clicks, impressions, average CTR and average position. In the last 3 months, it goes back to the last 16 months. It's not like Google Analytics, it cannot go way back. So let's say I want to track the last 3 months and compare it to the previous 3 months, and I want to track specifically only the average position to see if there is any change in the average position in these 3 months compared to that. And we see that the average is a bit higher, or actually a bit lower, 8.6 compared 8.5. And we can see also the impressions, and we see the last 3 months, and we see there was a peak at July 2021. I'm not sure what it was. And here, unlike Google Analytics, we can see the specific keywords and the specific ranking and what keyword rose the most, what dropped the most, and we can also explore a specific keyword a long time. So we see the average position of that specific keyword, hub for movies, whatever, and we see for something happened at April 14th, although the average position didn't change. So that's another tool that makes us much more intelligent and understand deeper the queries.